Today I'm going to show you how I make my mussels a la red Buzara. For the preparation you will need 1 kg of fresh mussels, 250 grams passata, 1 medium shallot, 1 sprig of thyme, 2 cloves of garlic, but you can add more if you prefer a stronger garlic flavor, 2 tablespoons of chopped parsley, salt, black pepper, and 100 milliliters of dry white wine. All the quantities and the recipe are written down in the description below the video, so do check them out. Firstly, we need to wash our mussels. This will remove some of the sand and grit still present in them. Add them to a large bowl of cold water with at least 1 tablespoon of salt dissolved in it. This way you can recreate sea-like environment for them. Let them sit there for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, discard the water and replace it with the fresh cold water. If there are any algae present on the shells, you can scrub them off. I was lucky mine were very clean and I didn't need to scrub them. While you clean them, check if any of them already died. The way I was taught how to check that: when you see an open mussel, take it out and lightly squeeze it. They should close on their own after a few seconds. If they do not, means they are most likely dead already. But do note, not all will close fully. But if they do not budge even a little, those ones are the ones you should throw away. The basic rule with mussels is, before they're cooked, they must be closed. After they're cooked, they must be open. Now, let's prepare our aromatics for the sauce. Let's finely dice our shallot, chop our parsley, and crush and peel 2 garlic cloves. Use a large pot. Trust me, you will need it. Heat it up on a medium heat. Add in 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and after add in your shallots and sweat them off. Crush in your 2 cloves of garlic and mix everything well. After 10 seconds or so, add in your dry white wine. Now let's cook off the alcohol for about 5 minutes. You only want the taste from the wine, not the alcohol. It's time to add in our passata. Mix everything well. Add in the whole sprig of thyme and the chopped parsley. Turn up the heat a little and let the sauce cook for about 5 to 10 minutes. Don't forget to mix occasionally so it doesn't burn on the bottom. It's finally time to add our mussels to the sauce, but be careful not to add in the water that gathered at the bottom of the bowl. It still might have some sand or grit in it, and that's the seasoning we do not want in our mussels. Sprinkle over a pinch of black pepper, mix everything well, and cover the pot for another 3 minutes. Uncover the pot, mix, and serve them hot. If by any chance at the end of your meal there is still some of the sauce left, do not throw that away. You can use it next day together with pasta or just dunk your bread in it. It's really delicious. Have fun eating and see you next time!